Welcome to Mystic Chambers Week 1 updates. JS Raycaster, 15 more weeks to go. This week we have done a lot. It was a relaxing week. Michael Fox added Audio Manager along with sound system like 3D sound, and it's in work in progress, I believe. Alan Zaring added dark background ambience. Let me just play it. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, and it's a work in progress. I believe that he will do updates to it, and it will be better. Krister did a lot. Thanks, Krister. I mean, he really added a lot to the project. He did the write file function. He improved the write file function, but first it was just, it just put things in the console, and you need to copy paste it. So now you click the save level button, and the file downloads. He also added decoration manager, which is basically static entity that don't update, of course. And it's a really nice addition to it. He also added a tech torch art. Also, he added art assets autoscaler function. Basically, in our project, we actually take a 160 by 165 so that there is sharpness, and that file is scaled from 16 by 16. And these are all the amazing changes. As you can see, there is the entity 8-sided rendering, and it's dynamic, meaning that the whatever number of images you give it, it will set up the angles accordingly, right? So that's a great thing. Z sorting, circle collision, items, enemies, wall decals is an amazing idea from Krister. He's really giving amazing ideas. There is the gun bobbing as well, like gun will be moved like this, as in Doom. There is art, fire skull, health box, title, revolver, which I will show you in the next coming slides, UI, which health UI, entities, render UI, bullets, ammo UI, art style change. Basically, first we were going for 16 by 16 pixel art, dark pixel art that is scaled to 160. But now the entire game is going to be not entire, maybe some parts pixel art. But what I'm thinking is almost all the art assets are going to be dark magicka voxel art, 16 by 16 by 16. Yeah, and it will be rendered at 160 by 160, of course, the same size, but in 3D, right, in voxel. And why is that? Because it makes 8-sided rendering real easy. You can easily make all the 8 sides, and shadows, those tiny shadows you can see in the model, they look really neat. I really liked it. It's Krister's idea, and yeah, as I told you, he's giving amazing ideas, and thanks Krister, he's adding a lot to the project. That's really neat. So let us enter the Mystic Chamber. I've changed the level, by the way. Now we have the decor thing, but it's empty as of now. And we have the entity settings. As you can see, the revolver, that's like moving, bobbing movement. And yeah, and there are entities there that you can see. They're are showing through the wall, which is definitely a bug and definitely something to work on. The fire skull, right? I think it's behind the wall. And there are some other bugs, like when it goes like 0 to 360 degree, when the player ray goes over 360, it goes directly to 0, and then the entities don't show. So there is this kind of weird problem. If you have some solution, please definitely contribute to it and fix that problem. And yeah, I'm going to pick it, and yeah, the health will increase. See? And it will also disappear. And there is a save button which downloads the level. So what is up next? Next is wall sectors. I believe it's the solution to entities wall ordering, and it will improve performance a lot. there are the special walls that are actually not walls, right? I call them sectors. Each that sector is connected to other walls and entities. When an array touches it, those walls and entities gets unlocked, gets added into the array. If you have like concave shape, you have to divide it. You can see, as you can see the steps, right? Like it checks the sectors first and draws the last sector, the end sector first, and it goes to base sector, right? Base sector that's added already. So that's how the level will work with sectors. It is a challenging task, and if you have a better solution, please join the team and share it with us so that we can implement it. Alright, so next week we also have revolver and gun weapon system, enemy system, and basic inventory. Basically, there are only two things for which you have to like display it on the screen, just like with Doom. You just pick the key and it shows on the top. All the other items will be like you pick it and consume it exactly at the same time, just like you see with the health kit. Wall decal system. Right now, one decal is like repeated throughout the wall. Yeah, thank you for listening, contributing. How was my week? My week was really decent. It was more of a chilling week, and yeah, I literally just played around with the green screen and just video configurations and stuff. And yeah, it was a decent week.